Welcome to the ultimate Amazon Black Friday 2025 deals. Get ready to save big on top kitchen and home gadgets. Meet the Ninja Footy XL Pro Air Oven DT201, the ultimate 10, in one kitchen powerhouse that replaces multiple appliances in one sleek stainless steel design. With true surround convection, you get up to 10x the convection power, delivering faster cooking, crispier textures, and juicier results every time. This oven preheats in just 90 seconds and cooks up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven, perfect for busy families. Its XL capacity handles a 5-pound chicken and a full sheet pan of veggies at the same time, or even two 12-inch pizzas. No rotating needed thanks to its 2-level even cooking system. Enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free with up to 75% less fat using its air fry mode. And with 10 cooking functions, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, toast, pizza, and more, your meal options are endless. Smart features like the digital display handle make cooking easier by showing the best rack positions automatically. For faster meals, healthier cooking, and crispier results, the Ninja Footy XL Pro Air Oven is a game changer for any kitchen.
Get the latest Amazon deals, product reviews, and exciting videos. Subscribe now and stay connected.
Say hello to the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus, the fully automatic espresso machine that brings cafe-quality coffee straight to your kitchen. With 18 plus one-touch recipes, you can instantly brew espresso, cappuccinos, lattes, Americanos, iced coffee, and more, all customizable with 4 drink sizes and 5 intensity levels. The built-in conical burr grinder with 13 grind settings ensures every cup is made with freshly ground beans for maximum flavor and aroma. Love creamy drinks? The LatteCrema hot system textures perfect foam, from light and airy to rich and dense, using dairy or plant-based milk. The 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen makes navigation effortless, allowing you to save personalized drinks for up to 4 user profiles. The machine even puts your favorite beverages at the top of the menu. With removable, dishwasher-safe parts, cleaning is quick and simple, so you spend more time enjoying your coffee and less time maintaining your machine. Upgrade your mornings with the Magnifica Plus, where convenience meets true cafe craftsmanship. Introducing the Typhur Sync Smart Air Fryer Oven, the world's first countertop oven with a built-in wireless thermometer probe designed for precision cooking. USA Today calls it the future where every meal can be mastered, and this oven proves it. With a 27-quart capacity and 12-in-1 versatility, you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, proof dough, reheat meals, and so much more. Its NIST-verified smart wireless probe features 5 sensors with an accuracy of plus or minus 0. 5 degrees Fahrenheit, tracking internal temperature in real time and automatically stopping once your food reaches perfect doneness. No wires, no pairing, no overcooking ever. Powered by a 360 degrees turbo convection system, the Typhur Sync circulates heat faster than a traditional oven, giving you crispier, juicier results with up to 30% quicker cook times. Control everything from the Typhur app, monitor temps, get alerts, choose presets for beef, poultry, fish, or set your own custom target. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe accessories, and the family-size interior fits a 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound chicken, or 2 pounds of fries. Plus, the wireless probe charges in just 3 minutes using the magnetic dock and lasts for multiple cooks. The Typhur Sync oven brings precision, convenience, and chef-level results right to your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Midea Flexify French door toaster oven air fryer combo. With a massive 26.4 quart capacity, This all-in-one oven lets you air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, 10 functions in a single appliance. Thanks to its Cyclone air fryer technology, it cooks 25% faster and uses up to 90% less oil than traditional fryers, giving you healthier, crispier meals every time. The VD-certified heat system with 1 convection fan and 6 heat tubes ensures even cooking without preheating. Large enough for a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or 14 juicy chicken wings. This countertop powerhouse also features precise temperature control in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments and a timer adjustable by 1-minute steps from 100 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Elegant French doors, a large LED display, and included accessories like an air fry basket, baking rack, tray, and crumb tray make cooking and cleanup simple and stylish. The Midea Flexify is the ultimate kitchen upgrade for anyone who loves fast, healthy, and versatile cooking.
Get the latest Amazon deals, product reviews, and exciting videos. Subscribe now and stay connected.
Upgrade your kitchen with the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. With French doors and a sleek stainless steel finish, it's both stylish and functional, giving you easy access and a premium cooking experience. This versatile countertop oven offers 12 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, keep warm, fries, snacks, and convection baking, so you can prepare anything from a crispy pizza to perfectly golden fries. The convection technology circulates hot air for deep-fried taste with up to 2.5x faster cooking than traditional ovens, ensuring every meal is flavorful and crispy without the extra oil. With room for a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, plus an intuitive selection dial with cooking indicator lights, you can monitor and control every step with precision. Perfect for families or anyone who loves fast, convenient, and guilt-free cooking, the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake is a kitchen game-changer. Upgrade your countertop cooking with the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake 5 in 1 air fry toaster oven. With innovative air fry technology, enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil while still getting that perfect crispy texture. This compact oven easily fits a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of toast, making it perfect for snacks, meals, or quick breakfasts. The simple dual knob controls let you set the 30-minute timer and select from 5 versatile functions: air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Featuring even toast technology for consistent browning and a removable crumb tray for easy cleanup, this stainless steel countertop oven combines style, convenience, and healthy cooking in one compact appliance. Make mealtime faster, easier, and more delicious with BLACK+DECKER. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This powerful 12-in-1 countertop appliance combines air fry, bake, broil, toast, reheat, grill, pizza, bagel, waffle, dehydrate, frozen, and keep warm functions, all in one sleek 21-quart design. With the 2025 upgraded ultra-fast convection system and quick and even crisp technology, your food cooks 3 times faster and 35% crispier than traditional ovens. Adjustable top and bottom heating elements let you customize your pizza, roast, or chicken for perfect results every time. Fit a 12-inch pizza for pounds chicken or 4 pounds roast effortlessly, while the compact design saves countertop space. The interactive digital display makes controlling temperature, fan speed, and presets intuitive and easy. Perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or family meals. Cook smarter, faster, and healthier with Nuwave Bravo Pro. Transform your kitchen with the Nuwave Brio 15.5 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven. This powerful 1800W countertop appliance delivers 10-in-1 cooking versatility: air fry, rotisserie, grill, roast, bake, broil, reheat, defrost, dehydrate, and keep warm. With 100 pre-programmed menu presets and 50 memory slots, You can save and recall your favorite recipes with ease. The extra large 15. 5-quart capacity fits meals for the whole family, with 4 adjustable rack positions and 7 versatile cooking accessories, including a rotisserie basket, skewers, mesh racks, and a digital temperature probe. The top-mounted 5-inch convection fan ensures fast, even, and extra crispy results while remaining smokeless. Adjust temperatures from 50 degrees to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, anytime during cooking. Enjoy perfectly roasted chicken with self-basting rotation, crisp vegetables, and flavorful meals, all with ease. Make every dish a masterpiece with Nuwave Brio. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nuwave Bravo Pro 21 QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, the 2025 new and improved model designed for faster, even, and perfectly crispy results. With 10 pre-programmed functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, bagel, waffle, dehydrate, and reheat, this powerful 1800-watt appliance does it all. The upgraded digital display makes cooking intuitive and interactive, while the high-speed fan delivers 100% faster crisping for golden brown results every time. Customize your cooking on the fly with adjustable top and bottom heaters and fan speeds for the perfect pizza, roast, or layered dish. Despite its compact 21-quart size, it fits a 12-inch pizza for pound chicken or 16 ounces of fries, perfect for small kitchens, motorhomes, and families. With a cooking range from 50 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit adjustments, the Nuwave Bravo Pro ensures efficient, multi-layered cooking, making every meal easier, faster, and more delicious. Meet the Nuwave Bravo Pro 21 QT Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven, your all-in-one countertop cooking solution. With 10 pre-programmed functions, you can air fry, bake, roast, broil, grill, dehydrate, reheat, and toast with precision. Take control of every meal with adjustable top and bottom heaters, ranging from 0 to 100%, and convection fan speed for perfect multi-zone cooking. Bake the perfect pizza by customizing your heat ratio for a crispy crust and gooey, melted toppings. The intuitive digital display provides easy-to-read controls, while precise temperature settings from 50 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit let you fine-tune your cooking to perfection. Compact yet powerful, the 21-quart oven fits family-sized meals and comes with a heavy-duty rack, air fry basket, baking pan, removable crumb tray, and recipe book. Cook smarter, faster, and more deliciously with the Nuwave Bravo Pro. Don't miss these limited-time deals. Hit subscribe and shop the best Amazon finds before they're gone.